Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. Okay, today we'll have a need-based video. So, as we all know, any problem we have, we're trying to solve it using the scientific approach, right? In the same way, as we all know, there are products which is shifting towards vegan-based diets these days, because people are shifting towards health conscious and health oriented. In such case, there is a demand for vegan-based product in the market. So today we try to discuss about how microorganisms play a role in vegan-based product. Okay, so as we all know, microorganisms, when we say, we are both beneficial and harmful microorganisms. So let's see the role of beneficial microorganisms, which can enhance the quality of the vegan-based product. Okay.
Global demand for meat production increases, but the conventional meat production leads to environmental changes such as greenhouse gas emits, lifestyle changes, and animal welfare issues. Vegan meat is the best alternative, but the conventional production of vegan meat will not fully replicate the meat-like flavors, fibrous texture, and bioavailability of nutrients. Problem statement is, how can microorganisms used to enhance the taste, texture, and sustainability in vegan meat products?
Coming to empathy always focuses on user needs. That is, consumers want vegan meat that tastes actually like real meat. Vegans want cruelty-free ethical food. Users want healthier meat alternatives. Food technologists need cost-effective and scalable methods. Environmentally conscious people want sustainable food options.
So coming to define, plant-based ingredients alone cannot indicate most complexity, lack of natural umami flavor and chewiness, poor protein structure compared to animal muscle. Microorganisms increase digestibility, produce vitamin B complex, and reduce anti-nutritional factors in plant ingredients. Microorganisms like fungi, yeast, and bacteria produce high quality protein.
Okay, now I'm going to continue with Ideate. I have 4 options. Firstly, we'll go with fermentation. As we all know, bacteria helps in fermentation, like lactic acid bacteria. Actually, it is used to give good flavor, and also it gives good taste. And mainly, there was some bad odor or some replica of plant taste. So it can be also removed using this fermentation process. Next, coming with fungus, there is something called mycoprotein. This is nothing but this adds the texture. As you all know, meat has a fibrous texture that can be achieved through this, and this mycoprotein is the substitute, meat substitute. Next, coming to yeast. Okay, here there is one called hemiprotein. This hemiprotein is also a meat alternate. This has large protein content. Here there is air, like it converts the air molecule, that is the point in this hemiprotein, in for phosphoric structure. Next, coming to microbial enzymes. Here this enzyme is used to bind plants with protein. So that is the role of microbial enzymes.
Yeah, I want to say about the prototype, which is the production of these vegan foods. The vegan meat products is developed using fermented soy or pea proteins, fungal mycelium for texture improving, yeast derived heme protein for flavor enhancement, controlled microbial fermentation process. Example, vegan burger patty or nugget with enhanced taste and texture. So the test is carried out to evaluate product success. Just like sensory evaluations, taste, aroma, and texture, to identify if the vegan products meets the normal meat texture flavors. So it must be satisfied to the customers. So we want to get a feedback from there. So the shelf life analysis also it should match the normal meat's shelf life. It should not degrade within hours or per day. So concluding, we are making a vegan product. It should be useful to the customers, and also it should come into the whole markets also.
Okay, so I think we have come to the stages implementing how we can overcome the issues that are faced related to the microorganism role in case of vegan-based product. So, from what we discussed, why vegan? We have so many options, right? Meat only has variety of options in case of meat-based product. And again, vegan, as we all know, the word denotes the vegetarians prefer that. But still, what benefit can we obtain from vegan? Why vegan?
Ma'am, actually, Hindus mostly they don't go beef, they consider it as God. When it comes to Muslim, they consider something as halal. So all this problem is because it is not non-veg meat. So giving some alternative can change all this, and not only non-veg eating people need protein, also vegetarian need protein.
Okay.
I think some of the bad cholesterols are present in the meat, so we can replace it with the vegan food. We can eliminate some of the
And
bad
we can
fats.
avoid all the chronic diseases like cardiac arrest and all those things. Excellent. Okay, do you have any other questions?
Well, in future, the vegan foods will develop much more compared to now.
As long as the demand for the food is increasing, I think there will be a demand increasing for this as well. But again, with vegan, there are so many, pros and cons and so many debates existing so far. So if vegan is properly aligned, if people